Hello everyone, let's learn Malay by just watching. Today we are going to chapter 25. I'm going to explain about tense of verbs. Chapter 25 or bab 25. Tenses of verbs. Number 2. In chapter 17, you have learned that tenses are understood from the context. However, if you want to be specific, you can use certain words in your sentences to indicate the various tenses. For example, A. Dia menulis surat. He writes a letter. He or she. This indicates present tense, menulis. B. Dia menulis surat malam tadi. He wrote a letter last night. So in this sentence, it becomes past tense because we add malam tadi, last night, indicates past. C. Dia sedang menulis surat. He is writing a letter, present continuous tense, because the word sedang. D. Dia sedang menulis surat ketika saya datang, past continuous tense. He was writing a letter when I came. E. Dia telah menulis surat. He has written a letter, present perfect tense. Dia memberitahu saya dia telah menulis surat itu. He told me he had written the letter, past perfect tense. To indicate the present perfect tense and the past perfect tense, the word telah is placed before the verb. Instead of telah, the word sudah can be used. The latter word also gives a sense of already. So what's the difference between telah and sudah? Both are the same meaning, already. Telah more used in the writing, and very formal speech, while sudah you can use in both formal and informal situation. And we use sudah more in conversation. Telah usually we use in writing. Other examples of past perfect tense. Saya tahu dia telah lulus peperiksaannya. I knew that he had passed his examination. Dia memberitahu saya bapanya telah berlayar ke Mekah. He told me that his father had sailed to Mecca. Polis menyatakan penyamun-penyamun itu telah tertangkap. The police stated that the robbers had been arrested. Other examples of past continuous tense. Ketika saya sampai, dia sedang menyiram bunga. When I arrived, she was watering the flowers. Menyiram from the word siram, water. Waktu kapal terbang itu mendarat, hujan sedang turun dengan lebatnya. When the aeroplane landed, it was raining heavily. Hujan lebat means raining heavily. The word sedang could be placed at the beginning of a sentence to make it more effective, as in the following examples. Sedang kami berjalan-jalan di pantai Batu Feringgi, kami terdengar orang menjerit. While strolling along the Batu Feringgi beach, we heard a scream. Jerit is scream. Sedang dia menyapu sampah, sebuah kereta berhenti di hadapan rumahnya. While sweeping trash or garbage, sebuah kereta, a car, stopped in front of her house. Words to remember. Misai, mustache. Perubahan, change. Peperiksaan, examination. Kaki, leg. Soalan, question. Mangga, mango. Pelancong, tourist. Penyamun, robber. Police. Sampah, litter, rubbish or trash. Like here, buang sampah pada tempatnya. Throw the trash on its place. Jangan lupa, don't forget. Trash can or garbage bin, tong sampah or tempat sampah. Tong sampah, garbage bin. Tempat sampah, the place to throw the trash. Ladang, estate or farm. Tiket. Verbs, berlayar, to sail. Dilaksanakan, from the word laksana, to implement or to carry out the plan. Menggunakan, to use. Menunjukkan, to show. Mendarat, to land. Memeluk, to embrace or hug. Bertolak, to leave or depart. Menyiram, to water. This passage, Smart School. Zaman yang bergantung semata-mata kepada guru dan buku teks telah berlalu meninggalkan kita. The age that depends solely to the teachers and textbook has gone, leaving us. Pembelajaran dan pengajaran bukan lagi sekadar menggunakan kapur dan papan hitam, tetapi juga ke tahap kemahiran menggunakan teknologi terkini seperti komputer di dalam bilik darjah. The lesson and teaching, not simply by using the chalk and the whiteboard, but also the skill to use latest technology like computer inside the classroom. Di Amerika Syarikat, ada elemen-elemen Smart School yang sedang dilaksanakan di banyak sekolah di negara itu. There is Smart School element in the USA is being implemented in many schools in that country. Semuanya dilaporkan telah menunjukkan perubahan positif. All of it reported has shown the positive change. Smart School merupakan manifestasi bagaimana pembelajaran, pengajaran dan pengurusan sekolah seharusnya dilaksanakan dengan berlandasan berfikir dan teknologi. Smart School is the manifestation on how the study, teaching and school management should be implemented by technology and thinking base. Smart School menghasilkan pembelajaran yang bermakna dengan mempertingkatkan segala potensi yang ada pada pelajar secara cekap, ekonomis dan berkesan melalui penggunaan daya fikir, pengetahuan, kemahiran dan teknologi. Smart School produce the meaningful lesson by increasing all potential that the student have efficiently, economically, and effectively by the usage of knowledge skill, thinking skill, knowledge skill and technology. Therefore, oleh demikian, pendidikan era ini dan cabaran masa hadapan memerlukan Smart School sebagai wadah ke arah pencapaiannya. Therefore, this era, education and the future challenge needs Smart School as a platform towards its achievement. Exercise 1. My friend Sam goes to the office by LRT. Kawan saya Sam pergi ke pejabat dengan transit aliran ringan. light railway transit. Number 2, I have answered all his questions. Saya telah menjawab semua soalannya. 3. The tourists visited the National Zoo and the Petronas Twin Towers. Pelancong-pelancong itu melawat Zoo Negara dan Menara Berkembar Petronas. 4. My father is shaving his moustache. Bapa saya sedang mencukur misainya. 5. Encik Amin was planting mango trees when I came. Encik Amin sedang menanam pokok mangga ketika saya datang. 6. He had bought a ticket before the commuter arrived. Dia telah membeli tiket sebelum komuter sampai. 7. A dog bit his leg. Anjing menggigit kakinya, or anjing telah menggigit kakinya. 8. He had written the book before he left for Australia. Dia telah menulis buku itu sebelum bertolak ke Australia, or dia telah mengarang buku itu sebelum bertolak ke Australia. Menulis means write. Mengarang from the word karang, author. 9. The carpenters make 100 chairs in one day. Tukang-tukang kayu membuat 100 buah kerusi dalam sehari. 10. Rosli is reading the newspaper. His wife is sewing a shirt. Rosli sedang membaca surat khabar. Isterinya sedang menjahit kemeja. Okay, that's all for today. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.